Alright, Rev fam, sorry about the late video, but I tried to get it when it was light outside, but it's already, what, 4:30 and it's dark as shit. So here's my video. It's a crank no start issue, and this is how it goes when I turn the key.